Hi guys, today I will be showing you how to fix YouTube not working properly. So let's get started. So here we are, and what we're gonna do first is we're going to our Play Store. So if you're in iOS, then you wanna go into your App Store, but from here in my Android device, I wanna go into Play Store and type in YouTube. The same steps will be applied if you are in iOS. And once you're here, when you want to go and tap on the YouTube app from here, so when you have the open button right here, just like what you see right here, is that you are good to go. But if you have the update button, you would need to update your app first, because one of the biggest reasons why your YouTube is malfunctioning is that it is not updated or up to date. So you would need to update it first. Then you would want to open your YouTube account by tapping here on the open button. But if it is not yet working, even if you have updated it or it is already up to date and still not working, then what you can do is that simply go into your app info in YouTube. You can go here and long press your YouTube app in your home screen, and you have the app info right here. You want to click on that or tap on it. And once you're here, there it is, the app info. And by the way, you can also get here by going into your settings right here in your phone settings, and you want to go into apps, then you want to go and find YouTube, and you will be right back here in the same place in app info. And what you want to do from here is that you want to tap on clear data, and you want to tap on clear data right here, clear all data, just like that. And you want to tap on OK. Then after that, you would want to test, and by opening your YouTube app, you might need to log in again. So once you have logged in, let's see if it worked out for you. If it still doesn't work out, then it might be because your device is outdated. I would recommend you to buy a new device in that case. And that's basically it for this video.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.